Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you a wee yellow mayfly parachute pattern. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B170 in size 10, but this is a medium wire hook. The thread that I'm going to use to tie the fly is the uni thread 80 in Camel. But you can use any tying thread that you like. I just like this colour. So just working the thread down, so we'll be halfway down the shank of the hook, and then coming back up and stopping the thread basically where we caught it on at the start. Now to give an impression of a type of a wing, to me it's just more to actually see the fly. I wouldn't say in a big wave, but in a decent type of wave. You're looking two yellow French partridge feathers back to back. So you can tie them on like this and have the wing coming out like that if you wish. However, the way I like to tie it on is, first of all, I've got a measurement. I just offered it up, keep the two feathers back to back, and then I just forget everything here and just work my thread down, just tying everything in, meaning the two feathers, and then come in and clip that away, and then bring my thread back up. Now at this point you can just come in, lift up the feathers, which that's a decent enough length there, bring my thread to the front of the hook. Now at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my post, and this helps to just keep everything nice and tight for me while I trace the rest of the pattern. So just work the thread up, creating the post, and back down again. Now usually you would tie in your hackle at that point, but the whole body on this fly is floss. So the tail, I'm going to use some, this is golden pheasant cock, or golden pheasant tail I should say. Traditionally in these type of flies it's cock pheasant fibres that's used. Now I just want the tail to be roughly a length and a bit of the hook over the back. I don't like a big tail on this, meaning long. Trim that away for the rib, and this is more just to create a segmentation in the body. Just running the black tying thread, which is the uni 80, through some wax. So just going to pull this on the length, catch that in. Sorry guys, that's me back again, the phone was ringing there. So we've caught on a rib. The body is just going to be a uni floss in bright yellow. So let's take a length of this off. Just come around with a turn and then just pull this in the length, and then we'll just work the thread forward. And basically what I've done there is I've just pulled it in the length, sort of way to fill that gap in. And then the thread should, that's it, transition up onto the next part of the body. Now I want to bring my thread back down to there. I just want to create a bit of a tapered shape into the fly here, to that point there, and we'll get rid of that over there. The hackle, you can tie it with a nice bright hackle like this one. I want to tie it a wee bit darker. I do like it to have a couple of different variations between light and dark in my box. So just going to catch the hackle in behind the French partridge, Then take a couple of turns in front and catch that in. Come in, trim that away. Now I'm going to post the hackle to our French partridge fibres. Now just work this up and then come back down. And you've already done most of the work there in creating the post. So you have, so at the start, and then just tighten up into everything. I'm just going to come in, just roll in a half hitch at that point, just to stop the thread from moving. I'm just going to bring the hackle over and come over with a turn of thread to keep it out of the way. Then I'm going to come up with the floss for our body. Now it's not the most robust dry fly in the world, but it certainly works. It's very similar to a pattern that would be used on the likes of log con. Now just getting the being nice and tight here with the floss at the head of the fly. Follow this around with my thread. Take a turn. I'm going to fold the floss back. This is just for security. And then we'll come in and trim that away. Then we'll just come up with our thread and create a rib. Like I say, this is just to segment the body, really. There. Bring the floss up in front. We like a wax. A couple of turns. Just fold the thread back. Now, in terms of hackle here is really up to yourself. I usually like to try to get 6-7 turns in. Simply because it's easier to take the turns of, or the hackle fibres off when you're out on the water. You can't add them on. Now, at this point, just stripping away, keep my hands out of the way, so you can see some of the fibres back off the stem. He's a wee bit fiddly there. Just going to come around with a turn and another 2 turns to hold. Maybe like a wax. Just going to come in and fold everything back now. Then nice and tight up over the top of the hackle. Keeping your thread tight and you break the stem away. And then we're just going to come in and throw in a whip finish. And again, just move the hackle out of the way. And when I go to fish this fly, just first whip before we tighten up the whip finish. Just a wee like a varnish onto the thread. Pull that through and come in and trim away the thread. Now, I'm going to wee look at it. Now, before I go to fish the fly, I was saying there, apologies. I will literally saturate the whole pattern, even the floss, body, and the likes of gink or permafloat, just sort of way, just whatever that you decide to use. Now, you can also split the wing if you wish, like I said at the beginning, but I leave it like that because the wind then tends to catch the French partridge. But that there's just a wee simple yellow May parachute pattern. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I've got something from that. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. Sorry about the interruption with the phone. And until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. And all being well, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.